Hello friends, today we are continuing my 10 days till Christmas painting series, Winter Wonderland. One cozy holiday artwork every single day until Christmas Eve. Let's get started. So I make a rough sketch and today we are using colored pencils and I think this one is finished. Faber-Castell pencil and it serves me very well, and when I finish some pencil I like to put it here. So here I have some small pencils, like I don't know for why, but in this little Nutella jar I put all my small pencils. So we're using a dark brown, and here says bronze. So this is a Brutfuner pencils and they are really good for the price, and we're using these three greens, and we will use paper stump and maybe some rubber. I don't know, do we need it? I like to always try pencils to see how they work. So this was emerald green, this one is aquamarine. I don't know is this aquamarine, but okay. It's lighter and dark green, almost same like aquamarine, but never mind. And this red is called fresh red, so I don't know, like fresh blood or something, what fresh red can be. So we're starting from the top, and this is a really cozy, cute little house, and you can see it through these branches. And first we will paint branches here, this which are up, and then we will paint we going from up to down. Like this. And you always can use your own pencils, you don't have to use these ones, of course. You use everything you have. Then we are working with this dark green, and we will make like needles on this pine branch. So that is that, and now I think we need to add this emerald green. And now we will a little bit smudge everything with this stump. We're doing this because we want this paint to come in the page, in the paper. We don't want just to stay on the surface. I found this picture on the Pinterest, but of course I can't find who is the artist is. It was made with watercolors. It's usually snow shown as blue, but today we are making everything green. We're showing snow like it is green. If you don't have this paper stump, you can make it from kitchen paper or something. Or you just can use your finger. This is nothing special. On my channel we don't have make problems from things. So now this is that, and I think we have too much green here, so I want to remove part of it. Now we make a little house. So first, our house is focal point of this painting. So must be bright green, bright red. So that is that. Now our windows have a little dark inside, like this. And then here a little shadows from roof. And then we need more of this green here. I'm adding a little bit more of shadows and contrast on these branches. And now I want to add a little bit more white on this roof. On windows. And I want to add more snow. So here, when you can see, I will add like snow, little snowflakes. And that is our cute snowy cottage. So guys, what do you think? I think it's very beautiful. Thank you so much for watching and see you tomorrow.